Struggling with scientific notation? Don't worry. In just a few minutes, you'll master this essential skill and be solving problems like a pro. Let's dive in. Mastering scientific notation the easy way. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is a way to write very large or very small numbers in a compact form. Instead of writing 4,500,000, we write 4.5 times 10 to the power of 6. But why do we do this? Because it makes calculations easier, especially in science and engineering. How to convert to scientific notation. Step 1. Move the decimal. Move the decimal until you have a number that is at least 1 but less than 10. For example, 0.0000321 becomes 3.21. Step 2. Count the moves. Count how many places you moved. If you moved right, the exponent is negative. If you moved left, it's positive. Step 3. Write in scientific notation. Write the number in scientific notation. Since we moved 5 places right, our answer is 3.21 times 10 to the negative 5. Examples. Pause the video and try these. Convert 5,600,000 and 0.000089 into scientific notation. Did you get 5.6 times 10 to the power of 6 and 8.9 times 10 to the power of negative 5? Great job. Now you're a scientific notation pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.